Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your text into photorealistic AI images. So here, in order to do that, you can open your Canva app first in your system. Don't forget to sign in. If you don't have one, you can try to download and install for free and try to create your account. And let's start by clicking apps and use AI powered and try to find Imagen. So here, with deep understanding of description and photorealistic capabilities, Google AI image generator Imagen empower you to imagine, illustrate and inspire. So let's start by click use in new design. So here you can submit a text prompt to generate an image, add detail like subject, context and style in your prompt. Example, a blue jay standing on a large basket of rainbow macaroons, brain raiding, a rocket ship heading towards the moon, Toronto skyline with Google Brain logo written in fireworks. So let's start with a simple one. Let's start dragonflies into space while eating planet Saturn. Let's generate. And this is the image. Dragonflies into space while eating planet Saturnus. We got two images here. So this is like a classic one, photorealistic one. I like this one instead of this, so let's use this one. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.